What is going on, everybody? Today is a beautiful day for some freshwater kayak fishing. Finally had the chance to bring out the kayak, guys. Winds are not gonna be too bad, be around 12. The gusts are gonna be like around 17, so you know, hopefully we don't hit those gusts pretty bad. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Let's catch some fish, baby. You know, I never really have luck on topwater here. It's maybe about 1 or 2 hits that I get, and that's about it. But I know for some reason I love throwing it. Just love getting that. Oh, okay. First of the day, as I was saying, I don't get that much topwater blow up here, guys. See, he comes back for it. He didn't get hooked. Let's get this good old Texas rig. This crawl from Bass Pro Shops. Watermelon green color. One of my favorite colors still in freshwater. In any type of water, saltwater, freshwater, I love that watermelon green color. And these crawls from Bass Pro Shop have some good action. Okay, let's get in these branches. Okay. Dude, what's up with me today? 2 hits already, 2 hits. And I absolutely missed both. All right, guys, I'm gonna switch it up to a blade brawler from Bass Pro Shop, paired up with the paddle tail from Casting My Faith. And when you're throwing spinnerbaits, guys, you always want to change your retrieve. Never just let it come steady. Twitch it, go slow, start rushing it in. You know, different retrieves. Different retrieves are always best when you're throwing a spinnerbait. Okay. Oh my God, that's a giant. That's a giant. Giant on the spinnerbait. Ooh, like I said, that's a giant. That is a certified stud, guys, on the spinnerbait. Whew. Spinnerbait never fails. As I was saying, spinnerbait never fails me, buddy. Check it out. Tamed it, dude. Let's get a beautiful picture of this guy. Beautiful stud. I knew they were hanging around here somewhere. First fish of the day. Beautiful largemouth bass. Beautiful. Let's get him released. Go, buddy. Go back home. That was nice, guys. Like I said, spinnerbait is a never fails you to get you a nice big old bite. First bass of the day. I got a couple hits this morning. Couldn't get them, but I knew a spinnerbait was going to be the deal. Yeah, spinnerbait was going to be the deal, baby. That was a nice hit too. Very nice hit. On that blade brawler from Bass Pro Shop, paired up with the Casting by Faith paddle tail. Very, very nice fish. Ooh, got a nice little hit. Didn't commit to whatever it was. Gosh, that was a small fish, but he tried biting it. They're here. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, another nice bass on the spinnerbait. Okay. Keep your rod low. Want it to jump. Okay. Okay, buddy. That's a small little guy. Who needs enough for this one? Second bass of the day. On that blade brawler, paired up with the Casting by Faith paddle tail. Alright guys, got a new battery up in here. Got another little bass. He was 13 and a half. Shy of a keeper. So it's the second bass of the day on the blade brawler from Bass Pro Shop. With that paddle tail from Casting by Faith. Oof. Beautiful combination. It has that gold blade, so the paddle tail I put is like kind of goldish with like black flakes. It matches perfect. Check it out. Check it out, guys. Tell me that's not a perfect match. Gold blade, gold and silver blade with some gold and black flakes on that paddle tail. Perfect combination. No way, dude. Hopefully my lure's still on there. Lost my lure, dude. No way, dude. Oh my. Alright guys, so I lost my other spinnerbait. I had to switch to this one I have left. H2OX. I also got paired on Casting by Faith lemonade on here, paddle tail. Okay, yup. That spinnerbait is the lure to use today. Yup. Another beautiful little bass. That H2O spinnerbait paired up with the lemonade from Casting My Faith. Beautiful bass. Third bass of the day, guys. This morning was a little calm, but we had to just fight it out. Beautiful little 12-incher. We're hitting it. Third bass of the day. We're getting hits, guys. We're getting hits. Kept getting hit after hit. Finally hooked this little guy. But something, guy. Fourth bass of the day. H2OX spinnerbait with that lemonade from Casting My Faith. Little dinker. So I kept getting hit after hit. And now I know what it was. It's these small little guys. None of them were committing to it, they were just short striking it. Alright guys, that might just be it for today. We had a good day. 4 little largies. One was decent. One was really nice. Got 2 bites that I missed in the morning. One topwater, the other one on the crawl. But overall, it was a good day, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, staying and watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. It was fun. And once again, as I say at the end of all my videos, guys, thank you for all the support. I appreciate all you guys who subscribe, who follow me on Facebook. Thank you for everything. I will be trying to put out more videos out there. So till the next time, guys, fishing banks, catching tanks.